Hey y'all, long time no see. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the Wakati water activated conditioner. I've been trying this out for a while and I really like it. Right now I'm working with a week-old blowout / twist out that I did for Valentine's Day, so my hair is pretty tangled right now. It left my hair tangle free and soft. I don't really care too much for the scent, but other than that, I really like this product, and you get a nice sized bottle that will last a really long time. Once I rinsed out the conditioner, as you can see, my hair is really soft and tangle free. For my style, I'm just going to do a quick wash and go. I also finger coiled a few of the pieces of hair that are closest to my ears because those tend to frizz quicker and lose definition. And after I did that, I sat under my dryer and I just let my hair fully dry. It only took about 20 minutes. And that is it. I really hope you guys like this video. I hope you do try out the Wakati conditioner. It's really great. And stay tuned for the next video. Bye guys.